Hey everyone, what's up? This is RP. Today's project, I'm gonna transform my Jeep Gladiator hardtop from factory white to matte black. So I've been wanting to do this for a while now, and I think it's gonna give my Jeep a cleaner and bolder look. So stay with me until the end of this video and let's see how it goes. Let's get started. Let's go! For the materials I'm gonna use sandpaper, Krylon Fusion all-in-one paint plus primer, a tape, and a rugs. So first things first, remove the freedom top, place where you're gonna paint, of course. And after this, remove the hardwares. After removing the hardware, make sure you sand it, wash it, clean it, make sure there's no dust left, and put a tape on it. So for this one, same procedure, give a light sanding. You really don't need to, but I recommend doing this because I think it's gonna give more professional look. Even if I'm not professional, it takes time for sure, but patience is the key. So don't forget to remove the dust, the dirt, and put a tape. And before you paint, wipe it with alcohol and let it dry. And now it's time to paint. Shake that can really well for 1 to 2 minutes like you're crazy about it. Shake, baby, shake. So this is how I did my first coat. Just give a light coating and comment down below if I did something wrong. I'm not professional here, and give me advice. Same thing on this one, just give a light coating, and after the first coat, wait for 30 minutes to 1 hour. For the second coating, same thing. You just need to apply the paint and wait for another 30 minutes to 1 hour. The Krylon Fusion all-in-one paint is fast drying paint, but it's just me who wants to wait for 30 minutes to 1 hour. I just want to make sure it's dry. For the third coating, you're gonna see the difference and you're gonna love it. Anyway, for this project, it took me 5 hours or more. And the only advice I have, once you're done painting, don't get excited to put it back. Just get rid of the smell first. See you on the result. Hey everyone, it's me again, RP. Straight to the result. Look at this. Yeah. I let you decide how it turned out, but for me, I really love the result, how it turned out. So for the Jeep owners, paint your hardtop now. I really recommend it for you. Whatever color you love, I'll promise you're gonna love it. So if you find this video helpful, or if you got inspired doing this, hit that like and subscribe button for more videos and future travel content. Have a great day. See you on the next one. Peace.